Hello everyone, so you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I want to show you, a school that you can apply to, to migrate abroad, right? Study is like one of the easiest, if not the easiest way, for anyone, to make it to another country, because we cannot meet the requirements, for highly skilled workers, for shortage occupations, occupations in demand and all of that, you can do it through study. So if you don't want to go through the whole applying for jobs, getting a visa sponsorship job and all of that, just apply to a school, get admission. Getting admission is one of the easiest things, right? And then you get your study visa and then you move down to the country. So it's as easy as that, right? So in this video, I want to show you an amazing opportunity, no application fees, right? So you apply for free and there are also financial aid available. There are scholarships and all of that. So this is a very good opportunity, and that is why I'm bringing it to you. So if you're just meeting, my name is Jackie, and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe, right? So you can be seeing more information like this, and also turn on the post notification. It's very important so you will not miss any video I post. When you turn on the post notification, every time I post a video, you get a notification and then you click that notification and then you watch the video, because if you want to relocate, you need a lot of information. Like one video is not enough, it may not be enough. So you need to know different things, different pathways, so you can find the one that is best for you to migrate. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, about your own personal needs, do send me an email so we can arrange for a one-on-one call where we'll get to talk about your own needs. All right. And you can also send me a DM on Instagram. And then, those are ways you can reach me and we'll arrange, a one on one call, if you have your own personal concerns, right? So let me show you the school that you can apply for immediately. This is one amazing school. You can see here it says zero number of students who pay tuition fees, right? You read that right. Every full time undergraduate student receives some type of financial aid. And when you're looking out for a school, this is one of the things you should check for. Check for schools that give financial aid so that the burden of paying your tuition fees is not all on you, right? Any form of financial aid is good, whether it's full funding or part funding, whatever it is better than having to break the bank to study. And that is why I like schools in the USA, they always have financial aid available. So look for those ones that have financial aid and apply to those schools. So right here, it says that no student in this school pays their full tuition. No student here pays their full tuition. I think that is really good. All right, so let's see more about this school. See academics, they have undergraduate studies and graduate studies as well. So you can do your bachelor's, your master's, and all of that in this school. So there are a lot of programs, that you can check out. So for admissions, yeah. So let's see how to apply. Okay, applying made easy. um the application is free and should not take more than 15 minutes. So free application is what you're getting in this school, free application. And then international students, we consider you an international student if you are not a US citizen or permanent resident and are interested in earning your bachelor's degree at the school. So let's go straight to see what is available for international students first before we see other things. All right, so application requirements. Your application and credentials must be completed 60 days prior to the beginning of a term. And there are 5 easy steps here. So you complete a free online application. It's free and only takes 15 minutes. Then you submit your transcripts. Submit official transcripts from all secondary school and universities you have attended. So if you're doing bachelor's, you need to get transcripts from your secondary school. If you're doing a master's, you get transcripts from your university. Okay. And then you meet test requirements. International students must provide a score from TOEFL. Code is 36318, a minimum TOEFL score of 525 on the paper test, 197 on the computerized version, or 70 on the internet-based TOEFL. And then you must also have an Ielts exam with a minimum score of 60 overall and a 5.5 minimum on any one test section. Yeah, so the band score is 6.0 and you should not have less than 5.5 in your reading, writing, listening, and all of that. Okay, ACT and SAT scores are optional. Note, if you are from an English speaking country, the TOEFL requirement may be waived. So if you're from an English speaking country, this English is requirement is waived for you.
right? So you need to like liaise with them, let them know and all of that. Okay, so you provide documentation of sufficient financial resources. All right. So you need to have all of that. And then you provide proof of health insurance. So that is all you need for, as far as documentation and all goes for your application. So that is it. So there is no essay for this. You don't need to write an essay for your application. So that is really good. Okay, so you click here to apply now. And then this is where you're going to send your documents to by email. You send it here, fax, and then by post, you send it here. Okay, so next steps, your application will be reviewed for an admission decision after the above credentials are received. So not after you've completed the online application, but after you have submitted your documents, that is when you will get a decision. If admitted, you will be required to submit a one time international student balance reduction payment of 25% of the first semester balance. If you are unable to secure a visa, the payment will be refunded. All right. Okay. So that's that for admission. Quite easy and straightforward. So you can just click here to apply, to this school. Okay, so let's get to see information about financial aid. Let's see the financial aid and scholarships that are available in this school so that you know what you have access to. All right, so let's go down. So there are different kinds: scholarships, grants, loans, and all of that. So the scholarships, think of scholarships as free money to pay for school. They are generally awarded based on merit or special qualifications. That is your GPA, your talent, your interest in a field of study, and they don't need to be paid back. So once they give this to you, you don't need to pay back. It's not a loan, and the school alone gives $8,000 minimum to each full-time undergraduate student. So at least 8,000 is going to every undergraduate student from this school, right? And then for grants, there are also grants, and just like scholarships, you don't need to pay them back. And unlike scholarships, they are based on financial need, not merit, and are typically awarded by the federal and state government. And then there are loans. And then, work study programs as well, where you work while you study, to get money to fund your education, and then military benefits as well. Okay, so let's see scholarships, right? Let's take a look at the scholarships. Then we'll look at the grants as well. So there are merits, which is such as academic, artistic, and athletic qualifications and talent. And then there is interest, which is in a particular field of study, and then demographics as well. These are the different kinds of scholarships they have. Every full-time undergraduate student receives international aid. Scholarships are given for several criteria, including academics, athletics, performing arts, referrals, and club participation. So this is the North Dakota scholarship. This is other scholarships here. You can click here to see details of each of the scholarships. So I can't really show that in this video, but these are all links you can click to see more. And then activity scholarship policy, you can read that as well. And then institutional aid. So these are different kinds of aid. So for academics, they have here academic scholarships, 6,000 to 10,000 are based on GPA and are available to any student not already receiving an athletic scholarship. And then there are scholarships for athletes as well. Then mechanical engineering also has their own scholarships, $13,000. And then there is scholarships for nursing, $13,000 per year. Physical therapy also has theirs. Alumni referral, legacy, chemistry, performing arts, Wilson scholarship, journey, export, esports, shooting sports, an international entrance scholarship of 6,000 to 10,000 annually, and it's for international students. So you contact here for more information. So every international student, please send an email here to get more information rather for this international entrance scholarship. And then there's a nursing teacher, engineering transfer and transfer. So many scholarships here you can take advantage of. So you don't need to break the bank to school here. So take advantage of all of this. So let's see some programs. Let's see the programs they have in this school. so that you can know what to look out for if a program that is of interest to you is here. Right. Okay, so they are in undergraduate programs. These are all undergraduate programs: accounting, chemistry. So many of them. There are a lot of undergraduate studies here. And so let's get to see the graduate programs, right? So let's see graduate programs. They have masters and they have PhD as well. So you can do your bachelor's, your master's, and your PhD in this school, and that is really amazing. They have a whole lot of programs available. So let's get to see what this school is about. This is the University of Jamestown. So you can just go to the school. It is uj.edu. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So if you want the link, check the description box under this video to find the link to this school so you can apply.
Okay, so that's it. It's an amazing opportunity. You would agree with me. Okay, so do apply as soon as possible and also share this video with other people so they can get to apply as well. It's always good to share information, so other people can take advantage as well. If you found the video valuable, do give it a thumbs up. That is a like, so other people can get to see it, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already so you can be seeing more updates like this. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Jackie and I will see you in the next one.